So Sony only just launched this excellent Xperia XZ3 flagship phone a few short months ago, and we don't want to get greedy here, but from the leaks we've seen so far, we're already getting excited about the upcoming Xperia XZ4. Sony's first 2019 flagship has already surprised tech fans before it even launches, with what looks like a completely new tri-lens camera setup slapped on the rear, as well as an overhauled design. So what do we think we know so far about the Sony Xperia XZ4, and should our nipples really be this hot at the thought of this gorgeous new tech? Well, here's our full Xperia XZ4 preview. Xperia XZ4 camera tech. One of the biggest surprises about all the renders and images of the Xperia XZ4 that have leaked so far is definitely that tri-lens camera setup slapped on the back. The likes of Huawei might have already done triple lenses before, but Sony has pretty much always stuck with a single lens for its MotionEye cameras. Last year's Xperia XZ2 Premium is the only device to buck this trend thus far, with a dual lens camera on board instead. Of course, we are pretty confident that Sony won't go nuts bolting on extra camera lenses for no reason whatsoever. If it does do the triple lens setup, it'll definitely be to add additional smarts such as wide angle lenses or telephoto smarts to the MotionEye setup. And after spending lots of time with the Mate 20 Pro and its highly versatile optics, I'd be very happy indeed if Sony went a similar route. As far as photo and video quality goes, the Japanese giant has pretty much nailed it, but some greater flexibility would definitely be appreciated. Xperia XZ4 display. Another change that we actually expected from the XZ4 is a bigger display. Rumours point to a 6.5-inch screen this time around compared with the 6-inch Xperia XZ3. And the reason we expected a bigger panel isn't because the XZ3 screen is titchy or anything. God no, you'd basically have to be Mr. Magoo to struggle to see anything on this thing. But when it comes to smartphone screens, the trend in recent years has definitely been bigger, 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 more, until we're all basically walking around trying to text on miniature laptops. However, one unexpected change is the new ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio, which means that the XZ4 is going to be one tall bugger. This stretched ratio will make the new Sony phone well suited to movie playback, but maybe not so much for other tasks. For example, not many games will support that sort of aspect ratio, at least not to begin with, so you can definitely expect some pillar boxing to take place. As for the rest of the screen tech, well, you can definitely expect a nice bright punchy OLED panel just like the XZ3, almost certainly with a nice crisp 2880 by 1440 Quad HD Plus resolution. In other words, those visuals are going to be nice. Xperia XZ4 launch date and performance. Now, one thing that the leaks definitely haven't revealed so far is when Sony is actually going to pull back the curtain on the new Xperia XZ4. A lot of analysts and fellow journalists have pointed to MWC 2019, the big mobile tech expo which hits Barcelona on February the 25th. And at first that definitely seems kind of reasonable. I mean, Sony does tend to refresh its flagship phones every 6 months, even though saying in the past that it would try and only keep to doing it once a year. And one little thing that gives us pause for thought is the fact that the Xperia XZ4 will almost certainly rock Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 855 chipset. After all, it's unlikely to use the older 845 which was used in the Xperia XZ3 and all the way back to the older Xperia XZ2. However, OnePlus recently took to the stage at Qualcomm's big Snapdragon Summit to reveal that it would be the first one to launch a 5G-ready Snapdragon 855 smartphone in Europe, namely the OnePlus 7. Now, the OnePlus 7 isn't expected to officially launch until April 2019, but we might still see the Xperia XZ4 before it. After all, just because it's got the Snapdragon 855 chipset in it doesn't mean that it will be 5G ready. You do actually need to include a separate Qualcomm modem in order to make it 5G-ified. And so far, the rumour mill definitely does point to the Xperia XZ4 sporting Qualcomm's latest super-powered 855 platform, with Antutu benchmarking scores of almost 400,000 points emerging online. Wowzers. Will there be an Xperia XZ4 Compact? Good news for anyone who is filled with dread at the thought of a 6.5-inch behemoth, because Sony will apparently reportedly be launching an Xperia XZ4 Compact at the same time as the XZ4 flagship. This mini handset looks to be a 5-incher, just like the older Xperia XZ2 Compact, making it much easier to fondle with just one mitt. And from these renders, it appears that the XZ4 Compact will sport a single snapper on the back, unlike the tri-lens setup of the full-sized Xperia XZ4. We don't know anything beyond that, but we're already definitely more excited than a Dachshund with a particularly juicy bone. So after everything you've seen so far, all the rumours and everything, are you just as excited as us about the XZ4, or are you maybe a little bit disappointed by what you've seen? Definitely let us know in the comments down below. And don't forget to poke subscribe and dig that notifications bell to be the first to see the XZ4 in action when we cover it. And as always, have yourselves a lovely day. Cheers, love you, bye!